Today, I'll show you how to connect discovery and delivery in Jira, so you can seamlessly bridge the gap between your innovative ideas and the actual development work your team takes on. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set up Jira Product Discovery and link your big picture ideas to real, actionable Jira software issues. This is perfect for anyone who wants to bring better visibility and structure to their product management process, whether you're just starting out with Jira or leveling up your workflow. Let's jump right in. First, head into your Jira account and look for spaces. Think of spaces as containers or separate areas where you organize different projects or initiatives. Click on Spaces and then hit Create Space. Why create a space? This is going to give your ideas their own dedicated home, so things don't get jumbled with your other work. Now, as you're setting up this new space, scroll down to the very bottom in the Products section. Here's where you're looking for Jira Product Discovery. Go ahead and click on that. If you haven't used it before, Jira Product Discovery is Atlassian's solution for gathering, prioritizing, and elaborating on product ideas. Basically, it's your team's brainstorming and planning board right inside Jira. At this point, you'll have the option to choose a template. Select the Product Discovery. Try this template option. This template is great because it's designed specifically to help you manage ideas, prioritize them, and ultimately bring them to life through delivery. Setting this up might take a minute, so don't worry if you see a little loading animation. Once your product discovery space is ready, you can start adding your ideas. This is where you capture those sparks of inspiration from brainstorming sessions, stakeholder feedback, or customer requests. Any of those ideas you want to track before they're fleshed out into real work. Now, let's talk about connecting those ideas to actual development tasks in Jira software. Maybe your team already has some issues in progress, tasks that relate to ideas in your discovery space. Linking these together keeps everyone aligned, lets stakeholders track progress, and helps ensure nothing falls through the cracks. Here's how you do it. First, navigate to the specific idea within Jira Product Discovery that you want to connect to delivery work. On the right side panel, you'll see a tab labeled Delivery. Click on that. This tab is your bridge. Think of it as the place where high-level planning meets real, actionable work. Now, look for the button labeled Link a Jira Work Item. Click it. If you're working across multiple Jira sites or spaces, you may need to select the target Jira site and the specific space where your development work lives. This ensures the connection points exactly where you need it and prevents any confusion later on. Once you've chosen the right site and space, pick the specific Jira work item you'd like to link, whether it's a story, a bug, an epic, or any other issue type. When you're sure you've got the right one, click Add. That's it. The link is now established. If you're new to this, don't worry if it takes a moment to find your way around. After doing it once or twice, it becomes second nature. By setting this up, you're making sure your team has a crystal clear connection between strategy and execution. It means you can track the progress of ideas from brainstorming all the way through build and delivery. This increases transparency, makes reporting and status updates easier, and helps everyone, product managers, developers, even your leadership, stay on the same page. Thanks for joining me for this walkthrough. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, just drop them in the comments. I love helping out and hearing how these tips work for your team. Don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth tutorials to help you make the most out of Jira and other tools. See you in the next video.